Solution of quadratic equation using formula. Today we are going to learn how can we solve a quadratic equation by using quadratic formula. But first of all, we shall derive the formula and let's begin. Solve ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We take c on the other side. It will become minus c. As ax square is not a perfect square, so we have to remove this a. For this, we divide whole the equation by a and we will get x squared plus b upon a into x minus c upon a. Now I have converted this first term into a complete square, that is in the form of a squared. Now I shall convert this term in the form of 2a plus b, as 2 is not present here. You can see that 2 is not here. So what can I do? I can multiply it by 2 and at the same time I have to divide it by 2. See how I do it. I have multiplied this term by 2 and I also divided it by 2. So it becomes x square plus 2 into b upon 2a into x minus c upon a. You can see that I have converted this b upon a into x into the form of 2ab. Now it can clearly be seen that it is a squared to a, and now what is the b? B is equal to b upon 2a is equal to minus c by a. I have converted these two terms according to this formula, a square plus minus b into 2ab. Now what I need another square, that is square of b, that is the square of b upon 2a, and for that purpose I have to add b upon 2a square on both sides. So I have added b upon 2a square on this side as well as on this side. Now I have this whole format like this: square of first term plus or minus the twice of the product of the two terms and the second square of the second term, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So I can write this expression as a square of x plus b upon 2a. X plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to c minus c upon a plus b square upon 4a square. I have expand this b upon 2a whole square and I'll get b square upon 4a square. X plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to minus 4ac upon b plus b square upon 4a square. What I have done, I have taken 4a square as the LCM, because we add or subtract rational numbers by taking LCM. X plus b upon 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. I have just changed the places of these two terms, as addition is a commutative binary operation, so I can write it as b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. What I have to do, I have to remove this square. For that purpose, I shall take square root on both sides. That is x plus b upon 2a whole square root is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a squared. This square will be cancelled by this square root, and I will have x plus b upon 2a plus is equal to plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. I can also write it as x is equal to minus b upon 2a plus minus b square minus 4ac square root upon 2a. I have taken this side to this term to the other side. Again, I have to add two rational numbers. So I took 2a as LCM, and I have minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root upon 2a. We can write it as minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b minus b square minus 4ac square root upon 2a. This will be the solution of the equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. This is called quadratic formula. In order to solve any quadratic equation, I have to compare the given equation by standard form of quadratic equation, and then I shall find the values of a, b and c, and I shall put those values in this formula to get the value of x. So what are the steps to be followed to solve a quadratic equation? First of all, I have to convert the given equation into standard form if it is not already in the standard form. Then what I have to do, I have to compare the given equation with this standard form to find the values of a, b and c. After finding the values of a and b and c, I shall put those values into the formula and solve to get the value of x. See how can we do this. This equation is already in the standard form. On comparing it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have a is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 9 and c is equal to minus 2. Now I put the values in this quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. I have minus into minus 9 plus minus 9 square minus 4 into 5 minus 2 upon 2 into 5. We know that minus 9 square is equal to plus 81, and minus 4 into minus 2 is equal to plus 8 into 5 upon 10. So x will be equal to 9 plus minus 81 plus 5 8s are 40 upon 10. 81 plus 40 will be equal to 121 upon 10, and we know that the square root of 121 is 11. So x will be equal to 9 plus minus 11 by 10. Once I have to write x is equal to 9 plus 11 by 10, and further I have to write x is equal to 9 minus 11 by 10. So x will be equal to 9 plus 11, 20 by 10 is equal to 2, and 9 minus 11 minus 2 upon 10. So the solution set will be equal to 2 and minus 1 by 5. If I sketch the graph, I can see that this graph intersects x-axis at 2 points, at minus 1 upon 5 end at 2. So minus 1 upon 5 and 2 are called the roots of this quadratic equation. You can also see that the roots are the values where the graph of the equation intersects x-axis. One more example, solve 4x square minus 14 is equal to 3x. First of all, I have to convert it into standard form. In standard form, it will become 4x square minus 3x minus 14 equals to 0. On comparing it with standard form ax square plus bx plus c, I have a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to minus 14. Now what I have to do, I have to put these values in this quadratic formula. Putting the values of a, b and c here, I have x is equal to minus into minus 3 because minus 3 is the value of b, here minus 3 is the value of b, and a is equal to 4 and c is equal to minus 14. We know that the square of minus 3 is equal to plus 9. So I have x is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 9 minus 16 into minus 14. 4 4s are 16. And further solving 16 into 14 is equal to 224 minus into minus results into plus. X is equal to 3 plus minus 2 into 33 upon 8. I have to write 3 plus into square root of 223 divided by 8 and 3 minus square root of 233 upon 8, and this will be the solution set of this equation. If you feel difficulty, please. Any other question? If you feel difficulty, please ask questions and please mention in the comments. I shall try to resolve your problems. If you want to get notices, you can visit our website https://mahawalnagar.com/class notes and home. But the notes will be provided after the completion of whole the chapter. Up till then, Allah Hafiz.